Hi guys, welcome back once again to this episode of Kambase channel. Before we move on, I want to draw your attention on something that may help some people who want the videos to be translated into other languages. I want to show you here the CC, the closed caption. I mentioned it already in one of my videos, and here again I want to draw attention on the fact that you can actually translate the language of the video into several languages. Here, like this is a closed caption, the CC, so it's now off. So when I press here, it will be on. That is it. Here I made it auto-generated French. So when you put it on, you come to settings. So settings, you see in settings you see here subtitle French auto-generated. When you press here, it will bring you here. So it will show you French auto-generated auto translate. So when you click on auto translate, it will bring you all the languages you can actually translate the language of the video into. So you can see all the languages are here. From here, Africans, Albania, or Arabic, or there are plenty languages YouTube has made available to for the video to be translated into. You see, they are all here. Plenty, Hausa, Greek, all the plenty language, Japanese, a lot of languages you can actually translate the video into. So if maybe you want the video to be translated in your own language, so here is the option. You can do that and have it in your language so that you can understand what the video is about. So pour nos frères francophones, je disais donc que pour avoir la langue de la vidéo traduite en d'autres langues, il suffit d'activer le sous-titre closed caption here, ici. Vous activez ça ici. Une fois que c'est activé, vous venez sur settings ou bien paramètres, et puis vous cliquez sur CC et ça vous amène ici. Vous cliquez sur auto translate ou bien auto traduction et ça vous donne les langues. Donc merci et restez connectés. Hello guys, good afternoon, good evening, good morning from wherever you are. Yes, the news is in. It's now possible to withdraw Limo coins to your external wallet, that is L-Bank and what have you. I just made my withdrawal. As you can see on my screen, it's now pending. It's now pending. It's now pending. You can also try yours to see how it goes. When we come to the dashboard, you notice that initially, when it was not possible, when you go to transfer, let's come to the dashboard. Initially, when you come to finance and then you want to transfer, you see that you have a message. There was a message transfer, finance transfer. You see that initially there was a message here as in external transfer was not possible. So now it's possible. It's possible. You can now make your transfer to external wallet. That's what I just did here, and it's now pending. So let me show you that again once. Blockchain transfer, blockchain transfer. Here is it exactly. So this is the first transactions I just made. This pending is pending.
You can see the status is pending. I just made 230 Limo coin here, and that is pending. So to do that is quite simple. You just have to go to transfer. You go to transfer. So here you have to do your thing. You go now to your external wallet, your L Bank here, your L Bank. If you have not created the account, the link is down below this video. Just grab the link and quickly go and create your account so that you can make your transfer. So here you are. When you come to L Bank, you go to wallet, spot, wallet sports. Exactly. Wallet in sport, you locate the LMC swap. Just locate LMC swap, or you can tap it in the bar here. LMC. You see it, LMC. So what you have to do, you just have to put deposit. You press on deposit, and then it will take you to this screen. So here you just press agree. After reading the short notice that is here, you press agree, and then you have the address, the wallet address. So what you have to do, just copy it. You see address copied. Then you come to your LaPayMal, you paste the address here. Just paste the address here. You put the amount. You put the Limo coin that you want to withdraw. If it is 500, 100, 200, just put the amount there. Let's say 100. Let me see. I just withdraw 230. The minimum, there should be some minimum. Right now I just have 4 there. I don't know, but let me put the 4 there to see what will happen. So here you put transfer to wallet. Just put transfer. To wallet. Then you click on the mail so that the code will be sent to your mail. Then you agree, and then you click on proceed. Okay, that is it. So they say minimum withdrawal is 100 Limo swap need to transfer. So the minimum to transfer is 100. If you don't have 100 in your wallet, you can't transfer. But that is the procedure. I just withdrawn 230 Limo coin. So once you put the address, you put the amount, the comment is very important. You put the comment, then you validate. You check the email so that the code will be sent to you. If you are using GIT Authenticator, you can just check this one. But I use email, so I check the mail. Then you check your accept to go. So once you do that, you click on proceed. So if you click on proceed, you'll be sent to another platform screen where the code will be sent to your mail. So you check your mail, you pick the code, the validation code, then you insert the code, then you add your secret key, the secret key, and then you just proceed to confirm. Then after that, you just have to come to blockchain transfer here, and then you check the status of your transaction. So that is how it is. It's now working. Thank you very much for being with me. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and activate the notification bell for the coming update. Thank you and be safe.